All right, everyone. I wanted to make a quick video here of something I figured out, a better way to actually control your air conditioning off and on while in the defrost modes. That way you're able to get a little bit better gas mileage and you're able to get a little bit better power out of your vehicle. Otherwise, the way the car comes factory from the dealer is it's automatically programmed anytime you use one of these defrost modes here. The air conditioning automatically kicks on even if the light doesn't come on, and it's always running. And obviously, you're not going to get as much power. You'll probably lose 3 to 5 horsepower. And also it'll affect your gas mileage. I would say on average, my Civic, changes about 4 miles per gallon. And sometimes, in the wintertime, I like to have it on the defrost on my drive to work, make sure my windows stay cleared off, that kind of thing. So here's a simple thing that you can do to control your air conditioning. When you're in the defrost mode, you can actually turn it off and get better gas mileage and a little more power. So here's something real simple. We're just going to go through, show you right now that when you go through the settings, everything looks normal. You go through these, you go to defrost, AC light doesn't come on, but the AC is on. There's no way to turn, all you're doing here is just turning the light off and on. It's not turning the AC off and on. The AC is automatically always on. Which is just one of those things that, it does help out having AC on when you have the defrost on. But after a few minutes of driving, you don't have to have the AC on. You want to get better gas mileage, a little better power, and, you don't like the AC or you don't like the vents being blown right in your face, that kind of thing. So this right here will help you out. What we're going to do is we're going to turn the fan to off, the temperature all the way to the coldest setting. Make sure to set this blowing in your face right now. We're going to turn the car off. Now, we're going to press and hold the air conditioning and the recirculate button as we turn the car on. Give it a few seconds here. The lights will start to flash. And it's that simple. We're going to go ahead and turn the car off. I'm just going to change the fan setting. I'm going to change the temperature just a little bit. Now, when we go back to turn the car on, everything looks normal. We go back through the different settings, and now when you hit the defrost buttons, automatically the AC light comes on, which is fine. Now you have control of it. So now from here I can turn this off, and now the AC is actually turned off. Before, you could not override and turn the AC off whatsoever. With doing so, now when you go through all these settings, you're able to control the AC off and on, which will give you better gas mileage and more power. This simple little, 20-second fix saves me 4 miles per gallon on my drive to work. So hopefully this helps you out. And if you want to see more Honda Civic videos, I'll be uploading a few more in the next couple weeks. So just subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.